miss, Rowdy.
You're exactly right, Mark. Get all that momentum built up and then you miss. Might be some good defensive driving as well.
Oh, tire pop. Oh,
nice hit there. I think he might have messed up his tire.
Who's honking their horn?
I know somebody's got the horn going. Oh, nice one.
oh, it flipped, it flipped.
Heavy metal noise.
Did you see it flip? Dang. Don't worry, I'll send you the
Looks
video.
like he's good. Gonna push it back over. Some heavy metal there. That's number 619, Cody Session from Julietta, Idaho. Got pushed onto his side.
Sponsored by Sutton Salvage.
You know, Mark, some of these cars might end up at Sutton Salvage by the time.
I think you're right.
All right, give him a hand, folks. Cody Session. And we're back.
That number 9 car looks like it wants to do somebody some harm.
We got about 5 vehicles running around here still. Come on, haven't pulled their flags yet. Let's see if they're still moving. Oh! Swing and a miss.
Oh, the 6 car's coming after him now.
Kind of ring around the ropes, Mark.
Yeah, but these guys don't want to go home with a pocket full of hose. Look at this.
0-4, if you haven't pulled your flag, please do. Hang there.
That's how I follow people up Thane right there,
Right
right?
on their bumper. Tailgater. You can probably see how fast he's going. What do we got? We got 5 of them running around there, Mark?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 cars. 5 still alive.
Well, maybe we got 6 of them going now. I see the O2 moving. Might be more than that. Who's it gonna be? You got a favorite? Number 9 is just like, hey, get off my rear end there, 6. You've got some after him.
Hey man, knock it off.
Oh, that
O2,
truck
pull your
barely
flag. Thank
missed.
you.
Thank you.
All right, and then there were, what do we got? 4?
I'm going for number 9. Same.
4 that are moving, I believe. What do we got? We got 3
Number 9
compacts and 1 pickup
has been like
still running. No, these things are like compacts. They're going to be like subcompacts. 3.5, pull your flag, please. 3.5, pull your flag.
Ooh. Oh no. Number 9
3.5, please
smoking.
pull your flag.
That 3.5 car, Rowdy, is driven by Kim Abel, and we didn't get all her sponsors right earlier. She's got Sharp's Burger Ranch
Love Sharp Burger Ranch.
and Sullivan Brothers Construction.
And also Combs Construction. So what do we got, Mark? We've got number 6, number 9, not particularly in that order.
Number 06,
Oh, look at that!
06,
A little truck sandwich.
09.
It's still going.
Oh, that was a driver door hit.
That's over.
So we've got 9, 09, and 06.
Six is smoking pretty bad.
05, pull your flag, please. 05, please pull your flag. It's kind of a cat and mouse game right now. Let's see what happens. Is it going to be a truck or is it going to be a car? What do you think? Who's going to win? Who wants a truck to win? All right, who's going for one of the cars?
I think I'm kind of rooting for the truck.
Well, either way, if you like the number 6 or the number 9,
9 eyes behind the green
09
car.
and 9. We got you covered. Oh! Here we go! Oh! Nice hit! Mark knew what that was. That was some carnage.
That was carnage.
Rowdy.
Look at that. What?
Oh! No! Hopefully they didn't take each other out. Oh no, let's
Nine's
see.
still going.
There we go. Still going. It's like the Energizer Bunny.
Oh,
Oh,
Aiden.
he's trying. Oh! Swing and a miss. That's an A for effort, though.
Oh, did you see what fell off of it?
Don't forget about the
It's a
Mad
piece of
Dog
his bumper.
$1,000 prize as well.
Oh, God. I was like pointing the camera up like that.
That's brought to you by Jones Excavation. $1,000 in cash. Mad Dog.
Number 6 and number 9 hate each other.
Parking space at the mall.
You know, you're right. I think 06 has got his dome light on in his trunk. You know, the little trunk cargo light? Little backup light. Yeah.
That bulb is indestructible.
That might be a target for the other guys, you know, I don't know. Make some noise, they can hear you. There's 3 of them left. Still moving.
They never die.
You guys having fun? And let's see what's going on. We got a 2 of them moving.
Are you allowed to zoom up?
You can.
So many things that
Doesn't.
can go wrong. I mean,
Oh,
your motor can, you know, go bad.
Man,
Your
that guy
steering
just got
brake,
psyched
your car
out.
runs. It's tough.
I think the truck and the car is stuck.
So what do we got here? We got the 09 and number 9 still moving here. 06 has been sitting there for a little while. We'll see. Thought
yeah.
about it. Thought about it.
He's like, I'm going around. Oh, barely got him.
All right, 06, pull your flag. Good job. 06, please pull your flag. So that leaves number 9 and 09. It's going to be a 9, ladies and gentlemen. Who's going to be the last one? 06, please pull your flag. Probably can't hear me over the revving.
Is it really that loud in there?
Yeah, it's loud like this, but just imagine what it is inside of it. Because they haven't got no muffler on it, it's straight pipe through the hood.
Yeah, he's moving.
Yay!
Yeah, we told him to pull his flag.
He's gonna blow up his engine.
He's got a strong motor though, I'll tell you what. 06, pull your flag, thank you.
He got so pissed.
All right, it's down to 09 and 9. What do you think, in car
Or
or
truck.
truck?
I think it's gonna be...
We've got Dan Ackerlin from Clarkston in number 09.
Chaston Spring also from Clarkston.
The Battle of the 9 from Clarkston. Is it going to be a car or going to be a truck?
When you like actually...
Look at his tire. His tire's about to come off.
Sketchy.
Ah!
You know who can take care of that tire, Rowdy?
Let's swap.
Tire.
Looks like he's kind of plowed the arena there with his little.
Oh!
There
That
we
truck's
go.
done.
Something let go, maybe a radiator hose or something. Oh, look at that, he's trying. Boom!
Boom.
Will that be the last hit or not? Let's see.
I think 9's out.
Oh, 9.
9's out too.
Those cars are getting tired. Truck.
The truck's still running.
So we got number 9, the car, and number 09, the truck.
The truck's still going. Okay, the truck's out.
Who's it gonna be?
The truck's trying though.
I think we're down to the final countdown here.
Look at the drone, dude. The truck's trying though.
So what was the last hit?
Oh!
Oh, he's going. Oh, there you go. Number 9 puts a hit on 09.
Barely, bro.
And now he's having a hard time keeping it running.
Oh! 09 just got a hit on him. Oh!
Here we go. 10.
Oh, wait. Are we moving?
Oh my God!
Still going.
These cars just never die, dude.
That was close. We were almost to the final countdown. But they're moving again.
I think the truck's out. Oh no. The car's out.
You're going for 09, right?
Yeah.
All right, we got Chaston Spring, number 09 from Clarkston, and Dan Ackerlin.
Come on!
There's a hit from Dan Ackerlin. Chaston still moving around, though.
Get out, bro!
How are those cars still even going?
Left front fender, excuse me. So Chaston Spring with the last hit right now as we are sitting, I believe. And what's left of a Ford Ranger, Mark?
Pretty
Yeah, that's
sure I called
the
you
Ford
out
Rangers
earlier.
that have the hoods that go in front of them. That's That's one of my uncle's teams.
All right, it's the final
not my
countdown.
uncle,
Help
my
us
cousin.
Here we
out.
go.
Ready?
10, 9, 8,
Come on!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go!
I think Austin might have just won.
All right, give a big shout out.
I don't know if that's
to all
Austin
the
or not.
drivers. Let them know you care. That was fun, man. Look at all those.